This video is for my son, Quincy B. I want to show you the inside of the house. We're standing in the living room. This is the living room. That's the back door. It's a double door. This is the living room. And I'm gonna walk into the kitchen. As you can see, there's no kitchen cabinets up yet. We have estimates to put them up. We're having them custom made. So the kitchen cabinets are not up yet. And this is the dining room. The dining room and the kitchen flow into one another. So there is no walls between the kitchen and the dining room. There is a division here. This is an arch. There's an arch that goes into that separates the kitchen from the dining room, and that separates the kitchen from the living room. This wall right here, and this is an archway so that when you're in the dining room, you can see in the living room. There is the living room, and I'm going to show you the doors. This is the back door to the porch. These are the windows. These are the dining room windows. These are the dining room windows. And this side is the other bedroom, 2 bedrooms, one for you and Divine and Rocky, Maddie. There's a bathroom here. The bathroom is under construction. The tubs are not in. And it's another bedroom. We got all kinds of stuff in here because they're working in here. And that's the closet for this bedroom. This is a window for this bedroom. This is a little hallway that separates the 2 bedrooms. I'm gonna show you my bed. I'm gonna show you the door to the garage. This is the door to the garage. I'm gonna do another video. This is the door to the garage. This is the garage. This is the garage. Those are the garage doors. This is the door to the garage from the kitchen. I'm going to go into my bedroom and show you the inside of our bedroom. This is the entrance. This is the door, the bedroom door. This is our bedroom door, and I'm coming in. This bedroom is 2 feet into the ground. Our lower level. This is our bed, nightstand, mirror, dresser, windows, a door from the bedroom to the back porch right here, and these are the lights. These are the lights that are in our bedroom. We have dome ceilings. Dome ceiling. Dome number 1. Dome number 2. And dome number 3. We're gonna go into the bathroom now. We're going to the bathroom through the closet. This is a giant size closet. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 40 feet square. Closet, 40 feet square. 40 feet square closet. Actually, it's 25 by 25. So it's not 40 feet square. This is the shower. This is inside the shower. Inside the shower. The shower wall. This is the shower wall. Right here is our bathtub we just purchased. It has not been installed yet. It's the toilet. The toilet. Barrel of water. Shower wall. Lights. Shower window. So far, this is the inside of the house. I'm gonna go and take you outside. I'm gonna take you outside.
Huh? Who you send?
This is the front porch.
Yes. Okay.
This is the front porch.
And you walk?
That's the front door.
Okay.
And and this is the front porch.
Okay. Well, see how they put building on.
This is the front porch.
Put building, beautiful home. Put building.
The front porch.
Yeah,
And these are the chairs. These are the chairs. We're sitting, my wife and I were sitting on this porch and just taking in the cool breeze. Look at these, check out these columns. Check out these columns. Check out these columns. This is the front porch. These columns are on the front porch. The columns are on the front porch. The columns are on the front porch. I'm gonna walk around.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna walk around.
Yeah, they can bring it to the farm Tuesday. I'm going to see the old grave.
I'm gonna walk
Other
around.
people facing. Yeah, because Tuesday I'm going to see my mom's grave. They had to build a grave up. But they had to redo the grave. Because Ruben they didn't do anything good on the old grave. I felt so bad when I saw it.
Low battery.
So
I'm gonna show you real quick. My battery is running low. So I'm gonna show you real quick. These are popper trees.
Wednesday I'm going to the COVID place to take my test, but then Thursday I'm leaving.
Yeah, these are the windows, our bedroom windows on the outside. Outside windows. Outside the bedroom. Windows that are outside the bedroom. Windows that are outside the bedroom. This is the outside. This is the outside. This is the outside. There's a little girl walking around. That's the front porch. That is the back porch. That's the back porch. That is the back porch. That is the back porch. People are sitting on the porch eating. Sitting in the back porch eating.